Hello everyone! I'm AYANA. Today, I'll explain how to make this animation. Let's begin! Let's start! Press this button to create a new composition. You can also create a new composition by pressing Ctrl+N. Change the composition name. Change the duration. Change the background. Click OK. Click OK. Press Ctrl+I to import the file. Press S to display only the scale. Change the value of the property. Press numpad to select a layer. Press Shift plus Ctrl+C to quickly pre-compose a layer or a set of layers. Click OK. Press Ctrl+Y to create a new solid layer. Change the name. Change the color. Click OK. Click OK. Press numpad to select a layer. Press Ctrl plus the bracket key to move the selected layer up or down. Press this button and select the rectangle tool. You can also change the rectangle tool by pressing Q. Change the paint color. Click OK. Search for effects in the Effects and Presets search box. Press Enter to apply the effect. Change the value of the property. Change the value of the property. Change the value of the property. Move the indicator. Press P to display only the position. Change the value of the property. Create a keyframe. Press the Home key to move the indicator to 0. Change the value of the property. Change the track mat. Press this button and select the Type tool. You can also change the Type tool by pressing Ctrl+T. Change font settings. Change the paint color. Click OK. Press Ctrl+Alt+Home to center the anchor point. Press Ctrl+Home to center the object relative to the anchor point. Move the indicator. Search for effects in the Effects in Presets search box. Press Enter to apply the effect. Press Shift to select multiple layers. Press U to display only properties that have keyframes or expressions set. Move the indicator. Change the value of the property. Press F9 to apply Easy Ease. Press the Home key to move the indicator to 0. Press Spacebar to preview. This is the end of today's lecture. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.